Good morning, you lovely people, and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, bringing to you a mega jug pour. All of my pouring medium recipe and how I mix my paints and what I mix my paints with is all in the drop down box underneath this video. If you either click a little link or press on the title, click on the title, the drop down box will appear, and that's where the information is for what I've put into this particular recipe in my paints. Okie doke. So this one is mostly pinky shades, so somebody might cringe and then others might, yay, pinky shades, pinky pink. Oh, and Pink is one of my favourite artists anyway, so there you go. So it's a mega jug pour, not that I'm going to fill this whole jug up. So that is magenta. This is just called pink. So that one, and then I've got a carmine, which is kind of a reddy pink carmine. Reddy pinks, so it definitely is a pinky pinker. And then I'm going to go I think this is the brilliant red, but I'll have to double check it. They're all the Mont Studio acrylics. So I'm keeping it pink for the initial jug pour. Pinky pinks. I'm not going to put any other colours in these pinky pinks. Maybe I should put something contrasting, shouldn't I? No, I'll go with the plan. So it's all my pinky pinks, reddy pinks, and you'll see what I'm going to do. It'll all reveal itself either in one big mess or a stunner. Probably would have liked, actually I would have liked to put orange in there because orange and pinks actually go beautifully. I do want to do one surprise over the top of it. So these paints, as I said, they're quite runny because I've done them for a different type of pour. But anyway, I'm going to put some orange in there, the orange has got a bit of yellow in too because it brightens up the orange, I find. I think that's enough in my mega jug for this particular now. So here goes. It looks like a lovely dessert. I thought that was a hole in my canvas, but it's not. This is a 40 by 50 canvas, so I'm going to, I'll kind of do it in a ring, I suppose, but a quick ring. Oh, it does look like a dessert. So it's a mega jug ring pour thing, or whatever it turns into. Yeah, orange is very nice with pinks, but didn't think to add it till the end, did I? So silly Jilly. So it will probably be the first colour that gets run off because it was the first colour out the jug. But this ring pour has got silicone in my paint. It's got 2 drops of silicone in each paint cup of the Helmar silicone. And the good news is that Mont is bringing out 1 litre containers of the Mont Studio acrylic. So they do have them in the small 75ml tubes, and the 2 litre, which some people find just a bit too much. They don't want all of that paint. Obviously I do because I go through a lot of it. But they're bringing out the 1 litre, or they've bought it out and it's becoming available very soon. in Europe, I think you would find it on the Amazon site for a supplier, or just Google it, and the same in the US it is available. But of course here in Australia we can get it online by Capriole Shabby Chic, who are in the drop down box underneath this video. It's where I get all my different paint supplies from. Family run business and their excellent service, so I do not mind at all recommending them. Do you think I've got too much paint on this? I could have. Hoping that I find you all well. And if you're feeling a little bit out of sorts, then please do a something that gives you joy, for sure. Okay, just trying to set up an area to get my other stuff out of the way that I don't knock it over. So I do intend doing something else with this, but I will show you as I go. So it's kind of creating some nice rings in there, and it looks like lips. I got kissy lips. Oh, okie doke. Maybe I shouldn't. Oh. Or I'm just thinking out aloud. I've got another element that I want to add to this, but I don't know whether to do it right at this point in time, which I think I might. So the other element is I want to go over the top in a figure 8 with the purple, and then it'll, well, you'll see. So it's a figure 8. I've done this before in another pour that's on my YouTube, so quite a while ago now, and I love it. I love the end result, and I'm hoping that this will turn out so okay. It just gives it another element in there to break up all those pinky pinks. That one little bit of orange that I've got is gone, or almost. So just nice and slowly let it tilt it over your canvas, just nice and slow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. So just nice and slowly, just relaxing, enjoy it. Don't worry about feeling that it might go wrong or it's not good. You know, it's only paint. It's really only paint. No problems. Just enjoy the process. That's what it's all about. It's artist therapy for sure. For sure. Ooh, okay. Look where the purple was. They're coming up like little planets in it. Wowsers, trousers. Tilt a bit further down. So you just, if this is your work, you just tilt until you feel that you're happy with its composition, and like I often say, if you're not, there is always somebody else that it is. Oh, and here my husband arrives, and it's in the middle of the day, so I thought I'd be all alone today, but never mind, he's no trouble. Wow, I actually really like that. Look at all this coming up in the blues. Well, it actually was purple. It was the Mont violet. That is interesting. Okay, it was just something a little bit different that I thought about doing, and I wanted to give it a try because it was in my head. So there you go. What do you think, guys? It's a mega jug pour with a bit of added elements. I'm just finger popping around the edge. I'm not sure whether I should add my heat to this, because if I add the heat, it will really sell up everywhere. but you either leave it like that, but I suppose I should add the heat just to see what we get. So I'll just use my Wonder Wand, which is a heat embossing wand. The link in Australia is below at Cabriole Shabby Chic. Well, there's the orange coming up through the purple. Wowsers. That's a little bit different, isn't it? Well, there you go. Oh, look at this orange coming up there. It's really quite nice. Just something different. So let me know what you think, and if you give it a go. Interesting to know. It's nice to try different things, definitely. Oh, there you go. It looks really dark for whatever reason in this particular... I'm not sure why that is, why it's looking so dark in this video. It's looking really dark. Wonder why. Okay, sorry about that abrupt end on that particular work, but this is what I've come to. My joke for the day: what happens when an artist is having trouble finding inspiration? She draws a blank. And that's where I am at the moment. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Appreciate each and every one of you. Bye for now.